Yes, and now we can discuss about some of the facts. That is, parrots blush like humans during social interactions. Parrots are highly intelligent creatures, and now we have found clues on how to talk to them better. A recent study found that parrots may ruffle their head feathers and blush in order to visually communicate with others in social interactions. The study was conducted at the INRA Center Val d'Loyery in France to understand the social lives of parrots, which are highly intelligent and can even help improve the captive lives of these birds, which are commonly kept as pets. Blushing may not be characteristic unique of humans. A featherless cheek of the blue and yellow macaw parrot reveals rapid skin color changes in situations associated with emotion. Ellen Beth, one of the authors of the study, about the study of communication signs of parrots. The study was conducted using 5 specimens of captive blue and yellow macaws called area Ara Arura Na, which were hand reared. The parrots were observed interacting with each other and their human caretakers. Two factors were observed in the specimens during social interactions: whether the feathers on the crown, cheek, and nape of the parrots were sleek or ruffled, whether there is any blushing on the bare skin on the cheeks of the parrots. Further, ruffling was found to occur at the times when the birds were not moving, but rather during resting periods or social interactions. The parrots were seen to ruffle their own feathers, or brush most commonly when their human caretaker was giving attention and interacting while maintaining any eye contact than in those cases where the human was in the room but not interacting with the birds or had their back turned towards them. This is the information regarding parrots.